Teknopanel was founded in Mersin on January 24, 2005. Production facilities and headquarters are located on an area of 33,600 square meters, containing an indoor area of 15,000 square meters in Tarsus Mersin Organized Industrial Zone. Teknopanel's areas of activity are sandwich panel, corrugated panels, expanding polystyrene, EPS, and extruded polystyrene, XPS. Production, sales, and export. Exporting products to 15 countries, Teknopanel was established in Mersin as the area of investment due to sea transport convenience and proximity to the market. Export constitutes 40% of its total sale. Teknopanel aims to bring a young and dynamic brand to the sector with modern technology and innovations, and providing the best service to its customers with its team of professionals. Fully automatic computer-controlled production lines enable continuous quality. Teknopanel owns the first TSE certificate in Turkey according to TS 14509 standard and adopted CE sign for rock wool, polyurethane, polyisocyanurate, and expanded polystyrene insulated panels. It also became a first in Turkey by being awarded with polyurethane, polyisocyanurate, expanded polystyrene, and rock wool panel fire tests and certificates. Teknopanel is the first and only manufacturer in Turkey which can manufacture all types of insulation products on the sandwich panel line, with polyurethane, polyisocyanurate, rock wool, glass wool, and expanding polystyrene filling. Starting with raw material quality control, the production process continues until a product output is realized conforming to the standards. Rolled plates entering the panel production line are formed in the drums and make up the lower and upper surfaces of the sandwich panel. Polyurethane raw material is injected between two surfaces under high pressures using special systems, and a mineral wool insulation layer is produced with special feeding units. Upon completion of the chemical reaction carried out in the oven through belt press are completely adhered to the surface plates. Panels are cut automatically in desired lengths with synchronously operating traveling saw, packed automatically and become ready for delivery. Teknopanel remains to be the leader of sandwich panel market with 52 kinds of products, such as insulation roof and facing panels, cold storage panels, membrane deck roof panels, acoustic facing panel, and CTP and PET roof panels, which are used in acidic environments and food production facilities. Corrugated panels are manufactured by forming aluminum or galvanized plate rolls of desired thickness. Expanding polystyrene, EPS, is a petroleum derivative thermoplastic material. Very tiny polystyrene particles expanding with water vapor start to swell with pentane gas and adhere to each other tightly. Subsequently, it takes its form by pressurized steam. Through this process, pentane replaces inside air. The void filled with trapped air gives EPS panel a low thermal conductivity and therefore makes it a good insulation material. Teknopanel Teknopar is produced appropriate to TS EN 13163 standards. It is a foam material with homogeneous cell structure. Polystyrene, as the raw material of extruded polystyrene, XPS, can be extruded along the line in the desired thickness. With the production carried out under continuous computer control, a stable cell structure which resembles a homogeneous honeycomb is obtained. With the help of this structure, extruded polystyrene materials, XPS, do not absorb water, are not affected by moisture, and they have a certain superiority over other heat insulation materials. Cells are connected to each other from their entire surfaces and with steady dry air, the most known and the best heat insulation is provided. The surface of the material which comes out of the line is structured as flat, gritty, or gritty corrugated according to the requirements of the details and sold under Teknopan brand in the insulation market. Teknopanel Teknopan is produced appropriate to TS EN 13164 standards. Teknopanel aims to provide the best service to its customers by realizing integrity and communication in the phases of production, shipping, marketing, sales. The address for sandwich panels in Turkey. Teknopanel.